The day you were born could hold the key to your journey toward becoming a millionaire. Doesn't that sound intriguing? Could the alignment of the stars and the numbers in your birth date have a cosmic influence on your financial future? In today's lesson, we'll explore numerology and astrology to uncover whether your birth date can provide a signal for financial success. If you're ready to delve into this fascinating topic and see what the stars say about your path to wealth, let's begin. For centuries, people have turned to the stars for insight and guidance. The belief that celestial bodies influence our lives dates back to ancient civilizations, with astrology and numerology playing significant roles. Astrology has been practiced for thousands of years, with the Babylonians identifying constellations and the Greeks linking them to mythological tales. Similarly, numerology has a rich history, with early civilizations assigning magical significance to numbers. The famous Greek philosopher Pythagoras linked numbers to deeper meanings, suggesting they could reveal mysteries about the universe and perhaps our own destinies. These ancient traditions weren't just used for personal growth. They were also used to predict events, understand individuals, and forecast success and wealth. In many cultures, consulting astrologers or numerologists before major decisions, such as starting a business or embarking on a journey, was commonplace. While today we may not rely as heavily on these practices, our curiosity about their cosmic connections remains. So, let's take a closer look at how your birth date could be more than just a number. It might be a clue to your financial future. How does numerology work, and can it predict your financial destiny? Before diving deeper, if you enjoy exploring fascinating topics like this one, consider subscribing to the Inspire newsletter. It's a great resource filled with insights and updates to guide you on your journey. You can find the sign-up link in the video description. The key is understanding the concept of life path numbers. Numerology is the study of numbers and their symbolic meanings, which suggests that each number carries unique vibrations and energies that can influence our lives. To calculate your life path number, reduce your entire birth date to a single digit. Here's how. Add up all the digits in your birth date. For instance, if you were born on June 9th, 1992, you would sum the digits like this: 6 for June, plus 9 for the 9th, plus 1992 for 1992, 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 for 1992, which equals 36. Then, reduce 36 by adding 3 plus 6 to get 9. In this case, your life path number would be 9. Each life path number corresponds to specific traits, personality characteristics, and even career tendencies. Some numbers are associated with creativity, while others are linked to leadership and innovation. Numerologists believe that understanding your life path number can provide insight into your financial potential and reveal the best ways to pursue your dreams. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive deeper into how these numbers could potentially be tied to achieving millionaire status. Are you curious to see if your life path number is aligned with financial success? Let's find out. Once you've calculated your life path number, you may be wondering how it connects to wealth. The theory behind numerology suggests that each number has its own set of characteristics, which may influence your chances of financial prosperity. Some numerology experts believe certain life path numbers are more closely associated with wealth. For example, people with a life path number of 1 are known for their leadership skills and determination. These individuals often excel as entrepreneurs or innovators who are driven to succeed. It's no surprise that many successful business executives share this life path number. Similarly, life path number 8 is associated with ambition, power, and a strong drive for success. People with this number are often drawn to careers in finance or business, where their leadership and strategic planning abilities can lead to substantial financial gains. Life path number 9, while often focused on humanitarian causes, can also lead to financial success. These individuals are motivated by a sense of purpose and a desire to improve the world, and when they combine their passion with business or philanthropy, they can achieve both social and financial success. Of course, these correlations are possibilities, not guarantees. Numerology offers insight, but the road to prosperity also depends on factors like hard work, determination, and seizing opportunities. Let's take a closer look at individual birth dates to discover what they might reveal about your financial potential. Were you born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th? These dates fall under Life Path 1, which is associated with leadership, innovation, and perseverance. People born on these days are often driven to succeed, with a strong desire to forge their own path. Entrepreneurs, innovators, and competitive individuals often share this life path number. If you fall into this category, your ambition could be your most valuable asset when it comes to accumulating wealth. Were you born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th? These dates correspond to life path number 2, which represents diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Individuals born on these days often excel in teamwork and may succeed in partnerships or careers that require strong interpersonal skills. If this is your life path number, your ability to connect with others could lead to lucrative opportunities. Were you born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th? Life path number 3 is associated with creativity and communication. People born on these dates are often expressive, creative, and full of fresh ideas. They may thrive in creative fields like entertainment, literature, or design. If this resonates with you, your imagination could be the key to unlocking your fortune. Were you born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st? Life path number 4 is linked to stability, structure, and hard work. Individuals born on these dates tend to excel in careers that require organization and a strong work ethic. Their dedication and persistence could lead to financial stability over time. We'll continue exploring more birth dates and their potential impact on your financial future in the next section. Were you born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th? These birth dates correspond to life path number 4, which symbolizes discipline, organization, and hard work. This group is known for their reliability and their ability to lay a solid foundation for success. People born under this number often thrive in fields that require attention to detail and structure. If you belong to this group, your persistence could lead to financial stability and long-term growth. Were you born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd? These dates align with life path number 5, which represents adventure, change, and versatility. Individuals born on these days are often dynamic, lively, and eager to embrace new experiences. They excel in careers that involve travel, change, or diverse situations. If you're part of this group, your adaptability and adventurous spirit could open the door to exciting and potentially profitable opportunities. Life path number 5 is all about freedom and exploration. So individuals in this category may find success in sales, travel, or entrepreneurship, where their willingness to take risks can lead to significant rewards. Were you born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th? Life path number 6 is associated with compassion, responsibility, and care for others. People born on these dates often thrive in roles that involve teaching, healthcare, or service. If this is your life path number, your sense of responsibility and empathy could guide you toward a fulfilling career that also brings financial success in fields where these qualities are valued. Were you born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th? Life path number 7 is linked to spirituality, introspection, and a quest for knowledge. Those born under this number are deep thinkers who seek wisdom and understanding. They may thrive in research, academia, or fields that demand intellectual pursuit. If this resonates with you, your drive for enlightenment might lead to unique and sometimes unconventional income streams. Were you born on the 8th, 17th, or 26th? Life path number 8 is all about power, ambition, and desire. Individuals born on these dates are often drawn to leadership roles and business endeavors. They have a strong desire to succeed and are willing to put in the effort to achieve their goals. If you're part of this group, your ambition and strategic mindset could propel you to financial success, particularly in the business and leadership sectors. Were you born on the 9th, 18th, or 27th? Life path number 9 is associated with compassion, generosity, and a desire to contribute to the world. People born on these dates often excel in charitable work, social services, or non-profit organizations. If this is your life path number, your drive to serve others may not only bring personal fulfillment, but could also lead to a prosperous life built on helping those in need. While numerology provides intriguing insights into the potential link between birth dates and financial success, it's essential to recognize the challenges and obstacles that come with the journey toward prosperity. No matter your life path number, building financial security requires dedication, discipline, and sound decision-making. One common challenge is managing spending habits. Certain birth dates may be associated with a love for luxury and the finer things in life. While indulging in life's pleasures is enjoyable, it's crucial to manage your finances carefully to avoid falling into debt. Another potential pitfall is the pressure to achieve instant success. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line, and setbacks are inevitable. If you focus too much on immediate results, you may overlook valuable lessons and growth opportunities. Remember, while numerology can offer insights, it's your hard work, perseverance, and wise decisions that will ultimately lead you to long-term success. Stay focused, be patient, and embrace the journey. As fascinating as numerology is, it's important to approach it with a sense of realism. While it's fun to explore the possible connections between your birth date and your financial potential, there is no definitive scientific proof that these associations are guaranteed. Education, environment, access to resources, and personal effort all play significant roles in wealth building. Numerology can offer a unique perspective on your strengths and personality, but it doesn't promise success. True prosperity comes from hard work, perseverance, and smart financial planning. Most successful people's stories are filled with setbacks, failures, and resilience. It's crucial to remember that wealth and success are about more than just celestial alignments. They are about the decisions and actions you take every day. Additionally, relying solely on numerology can lead to unrealistic expectations or even poor financial choices. If you're making important decisions about your career or finances, it's best to consult with experts and conduct thorough research. Be wary of quick fixes or promises of easy money. Ultimately, the most powerful force on your path to success is you. Your dedication, persistence, and willingness to learn will shape your future. So, while experimenting with numerology can be fun, keep your feet grounded and focus on building a strong foundation for your future. We hope you found this exploration of numerology as engaging as we did. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. We'd love to hear your thoughts on numerology and whether you think it plays a role in shaping our financial fortunes. Have you noticed any connections between your birth date and your own path to success? Share your experience with us. We'd love to hear your story. Remember, While numerology can be a fascinating guide, the most important factors in success are your own hard work, drive, and determination. Stay curious, work hard, and keep discovering new possibilities. I'll see you in the next video.